How to increase Snapchat score. So if you want to increase Snapchat score, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After having your internet connection, now you just need to simply open up your Snapchat. After opening, you can go with your profile, which is on the upper left, and then go with the settings, which is on the top right. Now from the settings, you need to scroll down and go with log out, which is on the bottom. And once you've logged out of your Snapchat, it will take you to the login screen, right, or the create screen. You can go with sign up, which is on the bottom left. And from sign up, now you need to enter your first and last name and your birthday. You can pick a username and then set a password, and you can add your mobile number or email and create an account. But if you don't have your phone number or email to create new accounts, then you can just simply go with your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and search for temp email or temp phone number. And here you will receive temporary emails or temporary phone number that you can copy and paste it, and you'll be able to create some accounts. So in the same way, you just need simply take 5 to 10 minutes and create multiple accounts, as many accounts as possible. Once you've created fake accounts, like 5 to 10 accounts, you need to just go with your original Snapchat account. Like this is the original Snapchat account. You just need simply go with sign in, and you need to add all of those fake accounts that you've created to this account. Once you've added, now you just need simply go with camera, which is on the bottom, and go with the drop down, which is on the right side, and select multi snap. And from here you'll be able to take 20 snaps at a time. After taking 20 snaps, you just need simply go with send, which will be on the right side. Tap on send to, and then send it to those persons or those fake accounts that you've just created. After that, go with send, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to increase your Snap score fast. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.